Yes, you're here. Marcus Body Coding Live. New footwork every day. Remember, you see, we do. No excuses. Amazing or not amazing? You want to see the new move? Cross basic 3. Let's go. Just for you. Bah, 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 bah. Amazing. No excuses. Now, let's do it together. Amazing. This is raining today, but this is not excuses. Remember, let's switch the cameras. Okay, we can start with the left or with the right, doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. We open and we change the weight and we close. We open with the right, change the weight and cross. Again with the left. We open and we cross. We open, notice the weight on the right, and we close. Again, open, close, open, close. Or cross, the same thing. Again, 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. Amazing. Amazing. Remember, no excuses. You can replay that video again, ching and practice. And remember as well, these are universal moves. Remember, Marcus Body Coding. We code universal moves so you can use them anywhere. Yeah, dancing hip hop, salsa, bachata, Kizomba, Zumba, Samba, Rumba, whatever you want. Yeah, and by the way, salsa on 1 and on 2, because you can start with the right or with the left. Amazing or not amazing? Wait, you still here? Really? You're here? Let's do another practice then. I think that you are the serious student, right? Remember, the serious student gets serious results. So now imagine yourself staring in the mirror, yeah? Fixing the hat, the eyebrows and everything. No, practicing. Let's go. Practice now face to face. I want to see you. Let's go. We open with the left. Open and we cross. Open and we cross. Again. Open. We cross. Open. We cross. You can add the shoulders. Let's try. Open. We close. Open. We close. Open. We close. Open. We or cross, and with the count 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. Amazing or not amazing? I cannot believe you stayed with me till now. Let's wave to all the people. Chi-ching. I remind you, you can use this video in any style that you want. Hip hop, salsa, bachata, kizomba, whatever you want. And do that in today's party. Wait, what happened if you forget the move? Forget the move? You always have your phone in your pocket, right? You can go to the corner, make sure nobody's looking. Go to the corner, maybe behind the tree. Nobody's looking. Nobody's looking, right? You see behind me? Nobody's looking. You take the phone and you practice with me on the grass, on the floor, whatever it might be. Then you go back to the party and you do the move. Yeah, that's the whole point. I take your excuses and I squish them and then I throw them to the leg. See? No excuses. That's it. No excuses. So make sure to do that move today. Chi-ching today. Why today? Good question. Because tomorrow there's a new footwork. Remember, Marcus Body Coding. New footwork every day. So, meet you tomorrow or meet you tomorrow? What do you prefer? I think I would go with tomorrow option. Maybe that's just me. So, see you tomorrow with a new, fresh footwork. Marcus Body Coding Live.